Gosh. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my gosh, yeah. I was so drunk last night because I dated the owner of the bar. Oh my gosh. Isn't it amazing? I dated the owner of the bar. The owner of the bar. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Yeah! Can you hear me? Can you please give me a cup of coffee, please? Yeah, please. Oh my gosh. This hangover, oh my gosh, this hangover really sucks. It really, really sucks. Don't want to drink anymore.
Ganito naman ang di sosyal.
Saan ako? Anak ng p***. Lasing na naman ako. Sakit sa ulo. May pangalak dyan. Pangsundot lang. Kanino ba itong higaan ko?
Init. Hot.
Ganito naman ang di sosyal.
Oh my! Haha! Nag-hurt ako.
Ganito naman masyak ang di sosyal.
Hoy! Hoy! Kinukulat mo ako, ha? Hindi mo ako kalala, ha? Kala mo, ha? Pa, may ka-text ako, oh. Paano ako dun, ha?